Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 20. Today I'll show you how to manage display settings. So let's open settings firstly and tap on display. Extend the list, and right here we've got all options for our screen. Firstly, we can manually change brightness level. Next, we can turn on or off dark theme. And we can turn on or off night light. We can turn on or off adaptive brightness. And switch on or off flicker prevention. We can change styles for our icons. And we can change wallpaper. We can select full screen apps. And we can turn on or off peak display. We can also change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. And turn on or off auto rotate screen. Next, we can adjust colors. And change display refresh rate. We can change font size and display size. Also, we can adjust lock screen and turn on attentive display. We can turn on or off free finger screenshot. And we can manage swipe to split. And the last thing is ready for. This function allows us to connect with other devices and screen record. We can change options for screen record. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.